Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix reply option not working on Instagram. So let's get into it. Number 1, check your Instagram app version. It's important to make sure that you are running the latest version of the Instagram app. Software bugs often cause issues on Instagram, and those can usually be fixed by updating Instagram. To check what version you have installed, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram and look for the Updates tab. If it says Update next to the app, then select it and follow the on-screen instructions to finish any updates needed. Number 2, check your internet connection. It is important to make sure that your internet connection is stable and secure when using Instagram message swipe reply. If your connection is weak or drops out, it can cause issues with loading messages, images, stories, and other content. This could be one of the reasons why Instagram message swipe reply is not working for you. Number 3, clear cache. Clearing the cache and data of your Instagram app can help resolve certain issues like the swipe up reply not working. When you clear the cache, this deletes temporary data from your app. Clearing data resets any customized settings within an app, as well as removing any local account information from that app. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.